Step 1 is to get a web hosting provider and at the same time get your domain name. So I'm recommending justhost.com. This is one of the best web hosting provider out there that is very reasonably priced. If you will get a 2-year contract with JustHost, you will pay around $120 for 2 years. Not bad. So the first thing that you need to do is just click the sign up button and try to look for a domain name that is very relevant to what we're doing. In our case, let's say www.clicktoearn.com or freemoney.com or adsbyrequest.com, and hit continue and see if that domain name is still available. If not, try to look more for something that is very relevant. When you find that domain is available, then you have to provide your name, address, and all your information and your credit card to pay this 2-year subscription. And that's it. You got your domain name and your web hosting provider. Once you get an account with JustHost, they will send you an email about your purchase, and they will provide you some very important information, and one of those is how to access your control panel. You get username and passwords, and this is how the control panel of JustHost looks like. And you don't need to learn everything that is in here. Just some of the things I would like to point with you is, like, you get a site builder template if you want to, and this is the part where you can make unlimited email accounts, and down here is the part where you can make unlimited subdomains. So you can write something like subdomain.yourdomain.com, and you can make as many as subdomains as you want. Second step is to get a website builder tool, and the one that I highly recommend is WebPlus X4 from Serif, and this is very reasonably priced. The first thing that you do is watch a video, and I'm sure this tool will blow your mind away for this very low price. And the next most reasonable thing that you do is go to the buy now button and click it, and that's it. You now have your best website builder tool. The third step is to take some time to learn to use your WebPlus X4. So if you're familiar with Microsoft PowerPoint, it won't take you long to become familiar with WebPlus X4. So this is how a WebPlus X4 screen look like, and the menus here are very similar to Microsoft Office applications. So if you want to start one, just go to File, Startup Wizard, start a new site, and you now have your blank screen where you can start building your whatever text that you want, or graphs or pictures that you want to be on your website. So go ahead, and you're free to copy what I have at earnperclick.7digito.com, so you can start having your first website. So this is actually what I'm using to make this site, this very site that I am doing right now. Once you're done with your work, step number 4 is to save your work, and click the save icon in here and provide a file name if you have to. Then the next step is to publish this work. So go to File, and down here it says Publish a Site, and publish to the disk folder. Then provide a directory, publish all pages, and click OK. Just overwrite any existing, if you had already done some revisions, then you have existing files, and hit close. Now you have already published this work into your hard drive in your computer. The next step is to upload this to your server in your web hosting provider. This is FileZilla, my favorite file transfer protocol software. So the first thing that you need to do is to get online with your web hosting server, and to do that is to provide the information for the host. This is given to you in your email when you open an account with JustHost. So it normally starts with ftp.yourdomainname.com, and your username that they provide to you. They provide a password to you, and port is just 21, and just go quick connect. So now you get connected with your web hosting provider server. So the only thing that you need to do is to transfer the published file in your hard drive to your server, like this one. Copy and drag and paste. So the file is transferring, as you can see, one file at a time from your computer to your server. and when that is done, your website is up and running. So let's go to our browser and type the website that we just made, earnperclick.7digito.com, and when your friend types this in their browser, then your website gets uploaded and they will be able to read your sales copy and will get them attracted to our free money system. So congratulations, you just uploaded and made your first website. So the next best thing to do is to spread your link to the world, and to do that I recommend that you go to our free money team, that's 7digito.com training site, and read or look at the video training on spread to the world.